Good morning and welcome, Team Southside, where teamwork makes the dream work. Mr. Reynolds here.
And Miss D, and we have some awesome fourth grade guests.
June Harris in Miss Smith's class.
Logan DeYoung in Miss Smith's class.
Owen Rodman in Miss Smith's class.
All right, and these guys are here because they were rock stars in their cross-country meet last night, or the night before last, so we are so proud of how well they did. They beat the heat, and apparently they got sprayed with a fire hose. So we are very proud of your perseverance,
I'll ask
guys.
you guys a little bit about that in just a minute.
Yeah.
But before we get to that, we're going to do things a little bit differently today. We're not going to start with the pledge. We're going to start with the Estimistry. And we're doing that because today is the last day of the week, and so we need to have a reveal. But before we have the reveal, you need some more clues.
Agreed.
So, first of all, guys, what are we estimating?
We are estimating how many windows are around the outside of the building.
Okay.
Yep.
And does anyone know a clue so far?
There are 2 odds and 1 even.
Okay, so June just gave you one of the new clues.
Love it.
Okay, so one of the new clues today is that in the answer there are 2 odd digits and 1 even digit. All right, what else? What other clues do we know?
Nice.
You know one, Logan?
It's in the hundreds.
That's
Okay.
right. It's a 3-digit number.
3 digits.
All right, what else?
It is all the digits are under the number 6.
Are 6 or less.
Right.
So the digits are 6 or less.
Nothing greater than 6.
Okay, and there's one more. There's a word that you guys weren't sure of.
This is our new one.
Consecutive?
All right.
Consecutive.
Yeah, there are no consecutive digits. And
New clue.
What is an example of a consecutive digit? Anybody?
1, 2, 3.
Like 1, 2, and 3, those would be consecutive because they're next to each other when you're counting, right? Or 7 and 8, those are consecutive digits.
So in order.
It can't go like odd, even, odd, even. It can only go like even, or odd, odd.
Okay, right, because it would be consecutive.
Right.
If you alternate between odd and even and you're counting in order, those would be consecutive. You're exactly right.
Yeah.
All right, so we will have the reveal at the end. But now I need you to stand and prepare for the pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Awesome job. So hopefully during announcements you guys are thinking of what you think the Estimistry might be now that you know all of the clues. Well, let's talk about our cross-country meet that you guys did such a great job at. So remember they had to run with middle schoolers, am I right? Middle schoolers, and tell me something that you're really proud of yourself for doing at that meet. Owen, talk to us.
I beat some middle schoolers. I beat like at least 50 middle schoolers.
What? That is amazing.
Nice.
Those are big kids too, right?
The
Long
test. I was
legs.
there. I saw it.
Mr.
Nice
Reynolds,
job.
yes. Anything else that made you guys really proud of yourself?
I got a really good time.
Love it. Love it. I mean, listen, you did the race, right, June? That would make me proud right there. You did the race even though it was really, really hot. And you guys persevered. It was longer than it was supposed to be, right?
It was
And
a mile
you
and a half.
a mile and a half. So they did so great. So we are so proud of all of our cross-country kids and especially you guys that really persevered through that. All right.
And
Yes.
I'm looking forward to seeing some more fantastic runners tomorrow night.
Can't wait.
Because, of course, we have our fun run, which is about a mile long. Or you're willing to go all out, you can go for the 5K, which is
Yes.
3.1 miles.
I'm doing it.
Woohoo!
Okay, all
Love
right.
it. Love
Anyway,
it.
that's tomorrow night. Time change, of course. We're doing that at 7:30.
Yes,
Come on out.
7:30.
We'll have some fun playing with the colors, have some chalk flying,
fun.
have a
I
great
can't
time.
wait. It's going to be great.
Yes.
And hopefully by 7:30 it'll cool off a little bit for us. And remember, you have all day tomorrow to rest. All day because we have no school on Friday. So come on out at 7:30 and have some fun. We'll throw some color on you guys. It's going to be awesome. All right, well, we've kind of wrapped up this week, but let's talk about next week. Next Monday, we have several students in our building that are going to start the iReady test, and we are so excited to get that going. So here's what that means. You guys have been doing such a great job staying nice and quiet and respectful in the hallways. And here's what we're asking of you. Keep doing that because you're going to have kids in classrooms that are taking that iReady test and they need to focus so they can try their very best. If you're really loud in the hallway, it's really hard for them to focus. So make sure you are nice and quiet in the hallways, being respectful of all of the learning that's taking place and especially for those kids that are rocking out their iReady test.
That's right. Many of you are used to taking the MAP test.
Yes.
Right? So the MAP test is no more. We're not taking the MAP test. Instead, we're taking iReady. And if you are a third grader, you had the opportunity to take that last year, so you already know what we're talking about. But
right.
everybody else, it's going to be a new experience.
Yeah, it's going to be great. Okay. Do you think they're ready for the official reveal of the ESTA mystery?
Yeah, I hope you've paused the video someplace along the way. That way you have time to talk about
Yep.
and figure out what the answer may be. But I think we're ready for the reveal. You guys want to give me a drum roll, please?
Drum roll, drum roll, drum roll.
All right, believe it or not, there are 136
136
windows on the exterior. Really? You got it? Excellent.
Look at you guys. Where did you get clues?
136.
I don't know about you guys, but that surprised me a whole lot. I did not realize that there were that many windows on Southside, on the exterior.
Imagine if we were to count the inside ones too, how many would it be?
That would be, and imagine if we would have counted them as separate panes. That would have been,
Yeah, no kidding.
hey, maybe you guys can do that math
That's
for
an
us.
extension.
That's
Fifth
an
graders,
extension.
Let's just assume fifth graders, fourth
Yep.
graders and fifth graders, that there were 4 windows in every pane, every set.
Yep.
So how many would it be if there were 4 in each one?
Probably be over 500 and
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
Under
you can. I
2,000.
want you to figure it out for me.
Yeah.
Tell me tomorrow, okay?
Come find us and tell us what you think. All right, you guys. Well, if there's nothing else, we always love seeing you here and being safe, respectful, and responsible. And
it's always a great day to be a Southside Stallion.
bye, guys.
Bye.